New advances in genetics technology now enables researchers to decode entire DNA sequences of an individual. The blood or saliva sample that doctors collect contains important DNA information which, once decoded, can change the future of medicine.
DNA molecules are the building blocks of all known living organisms. Technology has taken us far enough to be able to map out the entire DNA sequence of an individual.
So right now, even though we have the ability to sequence an entire genome, our ability to fully understand that information is limited.
Dr. Andrew Brooks is the Chief Operating Officer of the Rutgers University Cell and DNA Repository, one of the largest DNA repositories in the U.S.
We collect and process samples for clinical trials and perform detailed analytics such as DNA sequencing.
The high demand for low-cost genetic sequencing led to the formation of what is known as next-generation sequencing that can produce thousands or even millions of sequences simultaneously.
We actually have the ability to get inside of a DNA molecule and read all of the code in an individual inside of a day.
Technological advancements mean faster and more accurate results for DNA sequencing.
So there are a lot of applications. I think the two applications that we'll likely see in my lifetime are one is really rational drug design or the development of personalized medicine that will allow us to treat a disease in a specific patient given your background. I think the other thing that we'll see will be more preventative. And the ability now to sequence a genome in a day, although it's still costly, will lead to, very early on in your lifetime, generating a risk profile based on your genetic code so that you can start to live a different lifestyle. You can look for disease etiology earlier on so that we can prevent disease.
If you would like to learn more about DNA sequencing, you can turn into our new science and technology program right here on EBRU. It premieres tonight at 10:30 p.m. It is called Behind the Scenes.